Hey guys, it's me Sherika. I'm here to do a unboxing real quick. I just went and got my package, so I just figured I would just come on and get this over with. I don't even know how I want to do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop the. I think this contains several posters. I'm hoping it does, or I'm gonna be really mad. Yeah, because this is. Look how thick that is. Several posters. We'll get to that in a minute. I'm gonna just start with this big old package. Let me see. I always have a hard time getting these open. So I'm gonna use my knife. That even. Oh, almost. Woo. Okay. Awesome. Okay. There's so much. I don't want to show y'all what it is yet, but it's a lot of plastic. I'm trying to be careful with this knife because I always cut something I don't need to be cutting. So, all right. I'm gonna go with this side first. Okay, so as most of you know, EXO CBX just came out with their volume 2, and I got this. I have their first volume, and I have each letter, so I have 3 albums with their first album, and here's this one, and I'll post pictures and stuff. I'll open that in a minute. And here's this, because there was 2 versions, so I bought both versions. Let's see what's inside this one. Just be careful. Like, when I was following them on Instagram, I saw this and I thought it looks like a face with the bow on it, but if you turn it, it's actually CBX. No, just the album. This looks like a little photo book. Ooh, some cards. Yay. Oh, yay. Little big camera. My daughter's gonna be happy. She loves Chin. Cool, at least I got one of all of them. I'll take a picture because it's all blurry and stuff. There's this. Oh, it's the alphabet. Then it says EXO CBX. So that's cute. Let me see. Yeah, this is just a little photo book. I'm just kind of go through it quickly. There you go. Like I said, I'll post pictures in the end because every time I try to make a opening video, unboxing video, like I end up having it like 50 hours long, and I'm not trying to do that today. So I'm trying to be quick and thorough. Let's get this one open. I thought I just ripped something on the box. I was about to have a heart attack. That's what it looks like without the plastic. Let's see. Yay. Some more. This always makes me laugh, like every time I get a card, because the last few EXO unboxings I did, I got a Schumann and all of them. Let's see, here goes some more. Same ones. Yep. So there's that. Let's see if these are the same pictures. No, these look like different pictures from in the other one. I mean, I guess I didn't need both versions, but I mean, why not? Okay, so there's that. And I mean, and as you can see with the stuff behind me, this isn't my first time getting some EXO merchandise. So, whoa. I mean, let's see. I mean, here's multi-fandom stuff over there, but mainly EXO is over there and everybody else. Anyways, okay, so this stuff, well, this stuff I have now is the first time me getting something from this group, so I'm really excited. And I got both versions. Let's see. I don't know which one is which, so anyways, here's one. If you like Twice. And here's the second one. Now, see the way this is, I'm scared because I don't want to, I'm just use my teeth. Sorry, I know that's not cute, but I don't want to use the knife. I might have to. I'm just scared. I don't want to mess it up. I think I got it. I got it. Boom. There it is. Where is Momo? I love Momo. Oh my gosh. Here's this little clear thing. I don't know what it's for. Let me see if I can. I don't want to pull it. It's stuck on the box. Let me see. Let me do it this way. Whoa, I'm dropping all kinds of stuff. That's right there. Whoa, all kinds of cards came out. Holy cow. Okay, here's the album in the back. What is Love? Let's see what fell out. The song list. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna just show you. Man, let's see. Come on. It doesn't want to focus right now, so I'll just take pictures. I'm still learning their names. I know Momo for sure because I love Momo. I love them all, but I mean, Momo is my favorite. Okay, let me see what else is in here. This is just a really, really, really big book. Oh, there we go. Yes. Yeah, it's just, let me see. I'm trying, because it's really stiff, so I'm trying not to. Bend up the book. Okay, and I got, it's a sticker, I think. Yeah. Y'all can see that. My phone does not want to focus. And I got these two little packs. Let's see what it is. Oh, wow. More cards. Wait, did I get everybody? Wow. Wait, let me separate these. Okay, so these are out of the little pouch thing they gave me. Yeah. They're so cute. Group photo. Okay. Let's see what's in the other one. Yeah. Whoa. And this is their 5th mini album. And this is my first album from them. So let's see if I can open this one. And we still got to get to the posters, so I'm sorry this is taking forever. Okay. Ooh. there goes the album. Okay, let me see what goodies we got in this one. And there's pictures and stuff. Oh, I get it. So I guess you can just overlap them. Yeah, you can just overlap them and they'll be sitting where they are in the picture. Okay, yep, some more cards and another sticker. Okay. Oh, and there's the track list. Okay, so I'm gonna put these back in here, and I'm going to get to these posters real quick so I can cut this video, and I'll take some pictures. Let's see if I can get this stuff out without messing up anything. Oh, there's one more in there. It's kind of stuck. It's coming. It's coming. There we go. Okay, so those bowls, I can't even talk. First poster, twice. So this is my first twice poster. I'll take a picture. I like when they're rolled, so that means I don't have to iron it. As you see, I don't have much room in my room, so. Yeah. Second poster. Third poster. I hope y'all saw that. That was CBX. There's that. I already hope y'all saw that. And then here's this. So, I bought this from Yes Asia, and I don't even remember how much it was. I mean, it was over 150 because I don't do the, 2 to 3 week shipping. I'm like, I want my stuff as soon as possible. So that cost extra. But like I said, I will post some pictures. So I guess that's it right now. Bye.